Take it to her, let her show you. Okay. Guys, we are in an appointment, dentist appointment. So Heavenly and Ashley has an appointment today for a dentist checkup, and I might also be having a checkup today with my teeth, with my brown teeth, my teeth. Yeah. So I didn't check. Though Ashley and Heavenly, they have a teeth wash today, so they're gonna wash and check. Yeah, so it's kind of like they do this like twice a year. The last time they did was in March. Was it March? Yeah, in March. I guess so. 6 months ago. Yeah, because they do it every 6 months. Every 6 months. Every 6 months. Yeah. So, hey, Liam is also here. Look at him. Hey, big boy. Say hi. He has a bit of funny nose. Liam have a bit of funny nose. Hi. Say hi, mommy. Hi. Hi. Big boy. Hey. Sugar. How are you? Sit down. Look at that.
No.
Bring it.
Yes, one. Yes, correct.
Care. Car is correct. What's wrong with you? Look, he's awake. For himself. Mr. Reader. Give it to me. You have to hold it. Thank you.
Nobody's there.
Put it on the desk. At this moment, I'm kind of like feeling really sleepy. Yeah, I'm feeling really sleepy. Oh, I'm tired. Oh.
Why are you so angry?
No, I'm not.
Why? Hey, look at Liam.
Wir gehen nochmal ins Röntgenraum. Die Kinder dürfen Sie auch hier bleiben. Genau.
Yeah. You guys have to stay here. Oh, we are done getting other teeth wiped out. Ashley want me to make this so that my teeth will be white and not brown anymore.
Now your teeth are like this, and before it, and then after it.
My teeth have always been like this. We call it chocolate teeth or tea teeth. We call it tea teeth, just like this. It doesn't go red. It doesn't go. It doesn't go white. So I actually want my teeth to get white. Let's go. Time to go. That is that. That is that. Hi. That is that we should wear our jacket. It's raining. It's raining, yeah. Come on, Ashley. Good boy. You have the door?
Huh? Like go to football.
Come on.
It's very Christmas.
Yep, we didn't come for that. We come for stuff for our bathroom, so let's go and get it. Came to buy stuff for the bathroom. For washing. Not for douche. Not for shower, but for... Yeah. Uh-huh. Just a little to do. Yeah, this is toilet.
Which color?
Really? Seriously asking for which color? Did you hear this dude asking for which color? Yeah, that. This one is beautiful, but it's too small.
Big.
Too small.
Too small. Okay.
This is big, but it has just one. We need one with two. Because the house is big, so we need a double one.
Yes. That we need not to wait for the others that we can run up.
Exactly. Aya was sleeping, so we wake her up to bring her out. This one is nice, but I don't like this. It's big enough for two people.
Can also take it in white.
Yeah, it's also in white. Okay, yeah, it's in white.
But I guess that is smaller.
So we just saw one here, exactly the size of what we
Finding
need.
this one.
Yes, you were finding it. Yes, thank you. Yeah, exactly the size that we need. But did they not have it in white? It would be much better if they have it in white. Yeah. Yeah, that is come, okay? Oh, look at your face. You want cookies? The cookies is there. Should I give you cookies? You don't want cookies? You don't want cookies, Mama? There's also another one over there. Oh, yeah. Here's another one. Yeah.
But then by the other side is
Ooh, this one is cool.
But we have
Evelyn. Look at that. There is also one here. Woohoo. Oh, this is damn expensive. Shall I come and see? How much is this costing? Yeah, I thought maybe I saw it wrong. 3,083 euros.
nicht tragen, du wolltest raus. Toilette.